Hey guys, welcome to TechSole YouTube channel. This is me Rahul, and today in this video we'll be doing the quick unboxing and review of the GameSir G7 HE gaming wired controller, and it is compatible with Xbox and PC. I have this black color variant, and it also comes in white and limited Iron Man edition. Now let's unbox this and see what do we get inside the box. The first thing we see is the controller itself. Then we have a GameSir greetings with some QR codes to join the community. Stickers, Xbox Game Pass with first month free redeemable code, user manual with all information, a 3-meter long high quality USB Type A to Type C cable, Now coming back to the device, the GameSir G7 HE is specially designed for Xbox, and we see a logo on the top of the controller. These are two 3D Hall Effect joysticks with removable anti-friction grid rings. It has 4 micro tactile face buttons that almost sound like mechanical keys. Here we see left and right Hall Effect analog triggers with vibration support. And over here we find 3.5mm headphone jack along with the mute on-off switch. Additionally, for pro players, there are 2 more customizable buttons located at the bottom of the controller that can be changed by using Nexus software by GameSir. And not only additional buttons, but we can have control over other keys as well by using this software. Overall, it feels comfortable while holding it in hands with rubber-coated texture grip. And moreover, the front is magnetized and easily removable. This is so we can replace with other available swappable faces. Now let's test it out this controller by playing some games with it. It's been a while I have been playing games with this GameSir G7 HE controller. I must say it was very good experience. All the keys were pretty responsive and smooth while playing, and the amount of vibration feels like realistic. And if you're someone looking for a good gaming controller with high quality pro features, I highly recommend you to get this GameSir G7 HE controller. And further, I have provided the link in the description below, and it costs around 70 Canadian dollars. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.